Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make all your video clips that you record on your Xbox private. So it's not automatically uploaded to the Xbox Live servers and everyone can see them. So just on the home screen here, we want to go to Settings, go to General, go to Online Safety and Family right here and select it. Then go to Privacy and Online Safety right here. Then let's go to Xbox Privacy. Now go to Custom. Go to View Details and Customize. Then let's go down to Game Content. And the first option is here, you can upload captures to Xbox. We can allow that. But the next one is, others can see your captures on Xbox. Decide who can see game clips, screenshots you make, and upload. So you have three different options. You have everyone on the internet. You take a screenshot, it's uploaded. Everyone can see it if they go to profile. Then you can set it to friends. Only your friends can see it. Then you can go to only me. So this is probably the setting you want to go ahead and just have on. So when you just make some random recording, it doesn't get uploaded for everyone to see. So I think I would prefer to have that on like that. Then here we have, you can see and upload community creations. Decide whose community creations you want to see. So blocking this may affect whether you can upload your own creations to games. So you can go to everybody, friends, or block. Then we have allow live stream gameplay. You can share content made using connected cameras. Okay? So hopefully this quick little settings video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.